Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to share the secret that elevates my goulash to the next level. Trust me, to prepare this goulash, you will need 1 onion, 1 carrot, 5 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon with a handful of sweet paprika, 8 grams of dried Mediterranean herbs. Add salt and pepper to your taste. And what will turn the goulash into a stew can be added extra. 1 bell pepper and 400 grams of canned beans. It is not necessary to add them, but the choice is yours. You will ask, where's the meat? I will reveal this secret closer to the end of the video, so watch until the end. I will only say that I took 1,200 grams of meat. Heat a frying pan with oil and add finely chopped onion, carrots in half rings, and chopped bell pepper. Fry the vegetables until golden, then add the finely chopped garlic and paprika. Continue frying for another minute, stirring constantly. When the vegetables are ready, we set them aside in a plate and put the meat in the vacated pan. Cover everything with a lid and start cooking the meat over medium heat. Under the lid, the meat will release its juices. Stir a little and cover again with the lid. Cook the goulash over low heat under a lid for about an hour, adding water as it evaporates. Salt the meat and add a little water so that nothing burns. Add dry Italian herbs and previously cooked vegetables. Pepper it. You can add canned peppers if desired. Add a little more water, and after 5 minutes under the lid, you will have soft meat with a delicate, creamy sauce. As we let our goulash simmer gently, it's time to reveal the secret that makes our dish a symphony of flavors. We use not 1, not 2, but 3 different types of meat, 400 grams each of chicken thighs, lean pork, and veal. Each brings its unique taste, creating an exquisite blend you can't help but crave more of. This is my go-to recipe for goulash, and it's always a hit with my family and friends. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. Remember, the heart of cooking lies in the joy it brings, both in making and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep the secrets that make your dishes uniquely yours.